Sino siya? Sa UAE.
Baka.
Wala siya sa UAE.
Ay, hindi si Cherry Nunag.
Chelsea daw siya.
Survey. Cherry Nunag.
Chelsea Manalo.
Cherry.
God.
Go, Cherry! Bad trip siya? Hindi siya.
Hindi.
Ay! Official. Wow. Ano sabi? Ano sasabi?
Score 1-0.
Hindi ka maglaro dyan. Hindi ka maglaro siya.
Serving.
Pingo.
Marvin Yan. Receive by Kim. Set back. Go Arvin!
Ang hirap mag ano kung ano.
Wow!
Kuya Mike, score!
Score 2-0.
Score nila doon.
Tsaka may charger ka? Charger. iPhone. Charger.
Ano yun?
Serving Marvin Viado. 2-0.
Sinong si Sefi? Taga? Tagahod ba? Gaga, Tagahod ba?
Taga. Okay.
Tagahod ba, be?
Score Team Haro. Thank you.
Tanggalin mo na nga.
Dapat ba?
Hindi abot eh.
Asan ko yung mark na kami?
Ay, score baka.
Sorry.
Ano score?
Serving at the kid. Toss by high.
4-1.
Ano gagawin doon?
Point for business. 4-1.
Arwin! 4-1 na.
Serving at the kid. Boom! Score 4-2.
Now survey.
Mike Lagosa.
Alex, service mo.
Now serve. Bounce Lamina.
Shot Lamina.
And set.
Ang hirap na mag-ano. Snapso. Haro.
Ayan, ang galing mo dyan, Kuya Rod.
Ang bagal nga ng signal dito sa loob.
Kaya lang tayo ano, sa kanila.
Now serve.
Nakasaba yun dyan.
Attack by Lapos. Cover.
Ganda ng
CJ!
Score 6-3.
Ano yung score?
14-12.
Philippines. Oh my God!
And serve by Manalo.
Boom! Error.
Still serving. Angel Canigo.
Kulit ng set sila.
Attack by Lawe.
Nice one. Huwag na
Sino
bulan.
naka-black? Sino naka-black, Lee?
Vincent.
Nice one.
Dito, bebe. Dito. Nine, three.
Charot. Yan.
Black touch. Check ball.
Check ball by Dudong.
Arwin.
Stop.
Nice try.
Oh no.
Wala siya nila.
Baba ng signal dito.
Ito, connect mo here. Pwede ba? Ano ba ito, PLDT? Converge.
Mga 4G.
90% password. Try natin.
Chris! Chris!
Anong problema mo?
Ayun.
Madam! Wala sa sila ba?
Wala umalis.
Nice one, kicks. Nabalit. Ito yung tama yung
Ay, si Pa.
Now serving.
Now serving. Jonathan. Jonah Sabit. Nice set. Alex. Score 11-8.
Walang kwenta to.
Ay! Nice one! Gulat naman yung ano.
Nice take.
Goal!
Point.
Nice one, Jonathan!
Score 12-8.
Ang ganda ng set ng ano.
Dito, be.
Gia.
Hindi, dito.
Ay, Black ka boy.
Wala na.
O, pag nililipat.
Score 12-9.
Talaga naglolo.
Serving BJ.
Inside.
Service out.
Inside.
Hindi, magkaway kayo.
Score 13-9.
Rest.
Score
May blower
15-14.
dito.
In favor
blower.
India.
May blower.
Nice adjust by kicks.
May blower. Dito.
Tapos na. Dito.
Serving Kuya kicks. Good serve.
So, set.
Oh my God!
Dito tayo sa may blow. Ayan, dito mo nga.
Score 14-10. Score.
Nice
Oh,
one.
Oh my God! Nice spike by Tia Gagate.
Uy, malilito sila. Goal!
Ea Laure.
Wow, wow, wow.
Score 40-11. Hey Alex, service mo. Ayos mo. Good serve.
Loko! Go, Thea.
Nice dig. Spike by Ea. Nice jumper, Harold. Ea. Nice one, Ea.
So wonderful strike.
Late naman.
Nice fight by Ea Benene.
Score 14-12. Now serving Alex Mercado.
Alex Gonzaga.
Oh my God. Almost. The score 15-12.
In favor of
Team Walks.
Oh, what a short service. by
Nice
Paolo.
one, Rodina.
Paolo.
Score 2018. Team Philippines.
Now serving Paolo de Jones. Short service. Ea Laure.
Ea Laure.
Was a wonderful cross-court pass by Ea.
13-16.
Ay! Nagka! Loko-loko na!
What score?
Nice spike by Plaza.
Set by Harold. Spike by Ea Laure.
Nag-block sila sa...
Nice block.
Score 14-16. Dalawa lang
Now
po
serving.
ng Team
No.
Harold.
Paro.
Nice receive by Kim. Spike by Ashley. Oh my God. Sorry about that. Sorry. Points goes to
Angel Canito.
Angel Canino.
Angel.
Oh no. Minsan. Poor connection. Score 17-14.
Service.
Ba't wala na?
Angel
Nice.
Canito.
Okay naman siya.
What a receive.
Spike by Ea Laure. Oh. Almost a point. And it's out.
Asa. Unfortunate error by India.
The score 15-17. Oh my God. Oh, error by Vincent.
That was a great error.
17-16. Isa na lang ang lamang ng Team Lee.
Sa letrang B.
Boom! Out time!
Nice one!
Bounce ball.
Wait tayo no.
Sino yan? Ea?
Angel Canino.
Boy, nice.
Oh, line.
Nice.
Yan na, line na yan. Walang blocker, oh. Now serving.
Oh no! Nice receive by Ea Laure. Oh, nice adjust by PJ. Set by Kim.
Let's go. Oh
Oh!
no, that was a back row set by Harold.
Attack. Score 19-16 in favor Team Lee.
Nag-attitude siya? Oo, tingnan mo.
Oh, nice one! Harold. Set by Kim. Oh, received by
Loko.
Thea Gagat. Spike. Oh my
net
God!
violation
Net.
by Kuya Kicks.
Net catch by Lee.
Neta by King.
Meneses.
Ayun na si Castro doon.
Score 19-17. Now serving Jonathan.
Jonathan,
Jonas Sabete.
the Sunflower Kid.
Oh, spike by Kim. It's outside.
Sino?
Go Team Philippines.
Sino naka-block?
24-20.
Angel. Grabe naman.
Received by Vincent, set by Pau. Spike by Lee. It's outside.
Oh no.
Oh, first deadlock. All 19.
Of the year. Oh no. That was the one.
Service by Jonas Sabete. Oh. Go Marvin Piano. Received by Spike by PJ.
Makagalit.
Go Marvin.
Let's go. Oh no.
Was received Jonathan.
Let's go.
Oh. Set by Harold. Spike by Griffin. Point goes to Team Harold.
Let's go, Team Harold. What can you say?
And now, laban na po ang Team Harold by 1 point. Score 20-19.
Loko. Babaw siya.
Spike by Lee. Outside. Sorry, no blockers.
Sorry, try again next time. By Lee.
Oh. Panalo na po ang Team Philippines.
Wow,
Ano
Jonas.
na po ang Team Philippines? Set one, set
Received
two.
by Marvin. Set by Pau. Spike by Kim. Oh!
That was a good first
Nice.
round fight.
Nice, nice.
Yes, what can you say, Marvin?
Help up the net.
Score 20-21. No, 20-21.
2021 in favor of.
Ay!
Oh no. That was a foul by Lee.
Sorry, that was a service error by
It was
Lee.
being personal.
And now serving PJ.
EJ.
Good serve. Good receive by Kim. Set by Pau. Spike by Marvin, but it's
That's a good
outside.
receive.
Happy
By
birthday!
Angelo De Los Santos.
Score 20-23 in favor of Team Harold. Serving by PJ. Good receive by Ashley.
Oh.
Outside again.
Oh no. What is happening to this team, Marvin?
Back to you.
Now we're on set point. Good receive. Spike by
Passport.
Kim.
Inside.
Again, that's
So sorry
outside.
guys, but you're out. You're out of the league. From this day forward, you will
Next game, Marvin.
Ayun na.
Marvin